So yeah, we done that hill and then had a little detour, grabbed lunch, a nice Chinese just around the corner behind me there, and a coffee because I needed it. And we played in the park with Hugo, and he doesn't sleep all the time, it's just there's been a delay in filming, he's having another little nap. So yeah, gonna cut back through the town. Shall I go down? Let's go one more hill up. I think I'll aim for the old church. It seems the centre point of this town. Oh, I forget I've got stop music playing on my phone. Forgot that was going. So yeah, these are kind of, what do you say, the suburbs of Barcelona. Just kind of a normal town really, just on the away from all the cosmopolitan side of the city. All quite chilled out. Ugh. Over. So this is what I mean, Sunday. I guess in Spain generally, but I only really know Barcelona. Yeah, Sunday. Many places close. It's just a very relaxed day. People seem to just spend their time sitting at cafes like this in front, having their lunch, their tapas, a few beers. I think they spend a good few hours. It's not a fast culture on a Sunday. Still getting used to that side of things. I kind of eat, get up and go. In fact, you know what, in my life I don't think I've ever, you know, spent a whole day at a restaurant where you might have breakfast, lunch and dinner. Don't know if anyone else has done that. Sounds like a fun day actually. Just let each meal blend into each other. I am going to start going downwards first, but I've not seen any of this part of town before. It's always fun looking back on this 360 footage to see if any passerbys start looking back and start talking like, oh, what's he doing with that camera, blah blah blah. It's always quite interesting. So I don't know if those young people who passed me were looking. I'll have to see on the footage. Right. Oh, you're awake, Hugo. I think you just needed a little zone out there. You were climbing up ladders, swings, running around. Oh, I might as well go to the bottom of this hill and then make a right. Right is back more to the centre of Sant Boi. I think we'll finish off at the church. It's a bit more old town there. We've got here some pubs, or is that? It's a restaurant. Or is it someone's? Might have been someone's front room.